Hello folks, so today I will talk about the forward references in Angular. So it is a good feature. It is basically used in the services, means this is used in the dependency injection. So let me show you how, in which case it is used, why we need this forward references. So firstly understand the problem. What is the problem? So So suppose we have component that relies to the name service injected. As we are using TypeScript, all we need to do is annotate our constructor parameter name service with the name service type. So generally what we do when you create a service, you import it in the constructor and you call that function. So you call that function simply and you will get the data. So this gives Angular all the relevant info to correctly resolve the dependency at runtime. So here in this service, what we have included this data. So it will work. But what happened? When we inline the contents of name service TS directly in name.ts, in this case, we probably would not want to do that. But bear with me as I am trying to make the point. So means you have imported the service in the same component. Then what is the issue here? It will means and if you trying to use this service means it will not work. So when you try to it's not working. So so that this is the issue, and this gives us a little hint. It means when you run this code, then it seems that this name service is not defined in the constructor component. This makes sense if you are look at the flow of code because we've already used. So we actually declared it. On the other hand, using Angular's ESY constructor functions, that would be totally valid because function declaration get hosted by the top at the top by the JavaScript interpreter behind the scenes, and that are not in ES25 to 2015 classes just sugar on the top of ES5 function after all. So let me give you a basic. So means these class names are not hoisted. So here if you declare it on the top, then it will work. So let me show you here also. So in the component, let me show you how it works. So here we have created a service. So here it has created a name service and just create a normal function here. So when you try to use this in your component, let's see what happens. So this is a component. Here let's import it. So here as you can see here it has printed the data now. Now let's try it another way. Now if you try to create the service here in that component, let's see how it behaves now. So in the web component you just created a service. You just remove it from here and let's see how it works now. So as you can see here, okay, let's take it as a name too. and declare it in the providers of app module. Let's see one more thing here. So sometimes it will not work. So in that case, what you can do, you can include it like that. So here I have imported a service now. So that seems working. Means it is not an issue. It is outdated. Since we move to the Angular 14 now, so this issue is corrected now.